my new fitness studio. It's a little bit echoey. I know next time I will wear my microphone for the workout so that you will properly hear me, but it's echoing because it's completely empty. So yeah, I have my personal fitness studio where I'm going to shoot also the workouts, and I have group classes and personal classes. And I don't use much equipment, obviously, as you know. And yeah, this is a little life upgrade from my side. And today I filmed for you an amazing 5-minute workout, 5-minute fat burn workout, and I will just put the music over it just because of the echoing. And yeah, next time I will guide you with a proper voice, as you always are used to seeing from me. But yeah, 5 minutes got me really sweaty as always. So we are doing 3 exercises for 5 minutes MRAP. So we're gonna do 5 burpees, 10 jumping lunges, and 10 star crunches. So that's your fat burn for now. So let's go into the workout.
Don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. 'cause I need your fire. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. So come on and rise. Come on and rise.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. 'Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. 'Cause someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that.
Guys, this workout, just 5 minutes, and it just killed me. Like, I'm a sweaty mess already after 5 minutes, and it was just brutal, especially for the Monday morning. I'm just dying here, and I'm dying for my coffee. I haven't had anything, I just had an apple. Usually I have something before I eat, but now I just I didn't eat today. I wasn't prepared. Always prepare. That's my advice. Always prepare, right? Prepare your food, prepare your snacks, because when the hunger strikes, you're just gonna go for the worst food ever, trust me. And if you're going hungry shopping, it's even worse. So yeah, I will not make this mistake again. I have to be prepared. I always bring a protein shake with me, but just today I didn't know why. Anyway, I hope you like this routine. I hope you like this 5-minute fat burn. Don't forget that this 5-minute workout are your maintenance workout on the days when you don't have time to train and you just want to maintain your physique, your fitness level, or you want to do this workout on top of your normal workout as a quick fat burn or as a cardio burn. It's also very effective like that. Yeah, so let me know how you did this one, if you liked it, and yeah, I hope you like the studio. Please comment. It's quite big. I have a very nice view, and yeah, it's my dream actually to have this, and finally I can afford it, and just the classes are amazing. So now I have a little bit of break, and I went to tank my car, and then I needed my coffee. So good. In my car, I'm trying to figure out where to put the phone. If I put it here, you don't see anything, and yeah, it's so hard. So yeah, today I have a busy day. I already have had a personal session with one of my beautiful client, ex-Miss Seychelles, and she's amazing. Now I had to go to tank, and then I just wanted to have a little bit of coffee because I haven't had a coffee today. And yeah, coffee gives me a nice boost, and I just love the taste. If all your coffee lovers out there, you know what I'm talking about. And now I have another session with another beautiful client. Yeah, she's also very good. Beginning phase, but she's very good. And then I'm heading home, and then I have to prepare for my group class. And tomorrow it's another busy day. It's extremely hot again because now for the past 5 days it was really raining, and now it's so humid and hot again, like I'm boiling. Yeah, and I'm wearing this cute top and Gymshark leggings. This cute top I really love it, but I don't really have, let's say, I'll show you. I don't really have that much chances of wearing hoodies, even though they are like cute. But it's a crop top hoodie. I think I bought it in Primark when I was back home, and Gymshark leggings, which they're really nice. I forgot about those actually. Yeah, and I don't really wear these kind of things, and I miss hoodies, I miss sweatpants and stuff like that. I miss wearing jeans, like, because here we have only summer, and only summer clothes are all the time, like 24/7, 365 days per year, summer clothes all day long. But now we are entering into the tropical winter, for if it even can be called a winter, but yeah. Now let's go back up to the studio. Well, the good thing, I have a market there. So now I'm going up to my studio. Still some empty offices, and voila, I'm sure you know this. So I have a little "it's your turn" carpet mat. Voila! Woohoo! Okay, so here I have things, and here I bought a mop and this cleaning device. Yeah, now I can enjoy. It's so nice when you're training and actually you see the mountains, Seychelles mountains, and then you have this swamp here, which actually I think the people, they just came to check it, and I think they will clean it. The owner said they want to make it really nice with fountains, but it has to be cleaned. So that's a good thing, because sometimes it smells a little bit. And there is a huge parking as well. There is a school here, primary school, and yeah, another mountain. So yeah, it's really good. So yeah, I was really lucky to get this place. I always wanted to have a studio where I could have my classes anytime I wanted, not just renting it for like an hour per day, but this is mine 24/7. I mean, I'm renting it, but I use it 24/7 if I want to, and because clients, they have different work schedules, and I have to adjust to them. So it's really good, and it's just enough space to have also small group class. So I have around 7 to 8 people. Yeah, we fit in nicely so that it's not really crowded and still all right and according to regulation and all that. So yeah, and it took me some time to get to this phase where I am, but I think in time I can build up a real nice proper gym later on. Yeah, and yeah, so I see you next time. If you want that I film a little bit more about my life updates, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also check out my fitness webpage, fitnessbymaya.com, where you have tons of videos if you wanna work out with me every single day.